I think a fear I had before coming into college was just the idea of like, am I smart enough to be here? Especially coming as like a first-gen student. I want to pursue a field in tech, and it's not something a lot of my siblings were able to do either, and I'd like to give myself that opportunity. My mom has been so helpful. There was one time a couple weeks ago I was really stressed and I just wanted to come home, and they said, come home, we'll watch a movie. And it was just a really overwhelming week and I just wanted a place of peace. And after that I was able to go, okay, now I can tackle this work again.
So imagine this. I have a midterm exam coming up for psychology, first semester. I'm freaking out. What ends up happening is, hey, at the BBC with Chick-fil-A. What? Are you serious? We really were stressed about that and we started studying together, and then we get that text and that reminder that Pursue's gonna be there for us, and I really appreciated it. We are trying to be a community, like reaching the city, right? Pursue in Chicago. And with the social divide that we face today, I think that to come together and walk together, even in and of itself, is a strong thing.
Join us on Saturday, June 14th for the Pursue Unity Walk along Western Avenue, which starts on the south side in Morgan Park, through Beverly and Englewood, and then past Little Village, Lawndale, Humboldt Park, and Logan Square, and onto the north side through Lakeview, Ravenswood, and ends in Rogers Park. On behalf of the Pursue Scholars family, join us to show support for our scholars and help us raise $150,000. You can register to volunteer, walk, or give to Pursue Unity today.